your organization runs on SAP, you know a major shift is on the horizon. By 2027, maintenance for legacy ERP systems will end. Every company will need to move to S/4HANA, on-premise or in the cloud. The question is, are you ready to decide what is right for your business?
At Deloitte, we know these decisions are complex. Costs, risks, licensing and transformation programs. It's a lot to manage. But here's the reassurance. You don't need to navigate this alone.
With one of the world's largest transformation practices and hundreds of SAP projects delivered across industries, Deloitte brings authority and experience you can rely on. You're not the first one to make this move, and you won't be alone.
With 2027 fast approaching, time is your most valuable resource. The sooner you act, the more control you keep. Deloitte's independent support ensures you're not just reacting to change, you're shaping it.